Hi everyone, today I am going to take you part 4 video about extension and renovation project which is located in ISRO layout, Bangalore. After completing the mold process and removed shuttering, we started electrical work according to client requirements, placing the electrical points where needed. If you want to see before part 1, part 2, part 3 videos of this project, link given in description. I am Pawan Kumar, the founder of Coucal Interiors, Bangalore, the one-stop destiny for end-to-end old home renovation, bathroom renovation, interior design, and if you are planning for different types of pergolas, please contact us today. After completing the electrical work, we took care internal and external plumbing and constructing the parapet wall on terrace and plastering the entire house with water curing. After completing the electrical and plumbing root work, next step is laying 2x2 double charged floor tile and front elevation tile from the brand Kajaria with grouting process. We completed civil work of this project. Next, we are moving on to interior work. Nowadays, everyone constructing or purchasing their dream home, but they don't know that interior work will also play a major role in a home. The interior work showcases the beauty of entire house, making it luxury and giving a good feeling for living in a home. Part 5th of this project video will be updated soon. For more videos about end-to-end old home renovation, bathroom renovation, interior design, and to get notification of part 5th of this project interior video, please subscribe our channel Coucal Interiors Bangalore. Thank you.